Oh no! What is up, chili suckers? We are back in my driveway with the Grom clone, and we are changing our levers again for the third time for no particular reason at all. I already know this one doesn't pick me up. Oh no! Of course it fucking tipped. I bent the shit out of my lever. But anyways, people have been saying lately that these MZS levers don't fit these. I don't know if they're shipping them differently or what, if they're made differently now. But we're about to find out because I got a brand new set. Let's dive right into it. Let's go ahead, starting with the clutch side. We're just going to pull this little adjuster boot out of our way and then loosen our adjuster until we have plenty of slack in the cable. Just run it all the way in. Then we will take a flathead and a 10mm wrench, undo this nut and bolt here, and then we will line up the notch in our adjuster with the notch in the perch, and our lever and cable should come out of there nicely. And now if you have a cable luber, this is a prime opportunity to lube your well overdue cable. We're gonna go ahead and do that and then be right back. And with the cable nice and lubed up, we will take our new lever, reinstall it the opposite way the old lever came out. Trick is getting this all lined back up. Go just like that, and then we will reinstall our nut and bolt, and then we will take the slack back out of our cable, should be good. Put the boot back on, and that's it for the clutch side. It seems to fit just fine. Let's see if we have any trouble with the brake side. And now coming over to the brake side, you just have a 10mm nut and bolt. And then your lever just comes out like so. Then we will take our new lever, cover it in dust. Take our new lever, reinstall it same way the old one came out. Bolt back in there. Get the nut back on there. Tighten her up. You do want to be careful, don't go too tight because you will pinch the lever in the perch and you won't be able to pull it. But yeah, that one fits. And there you have it. Now you've got new levers on your Grom clone. I really just wanted to make sure that the levers still fit. I didn't want to, be giving you guys bad information. I didn't want to be linking parts that didn't fit, so I could have gotten by with my old levers. The clutch was definitely bent, but I was able to bend it back enough to ride home. But wanted to use it as an opportunity to make sure I was linking good stuff, giving you guys good information, making sure the parts still fit the way I say they do, because I'd feel real bad if I told you guys they fit and then they didn't fit. But there you have it, they fit. We appreciate each and every one of you watching this channel. If you want to support the channel, we do have a merch shop. That's a great way to support us and the projects we're working on, and we'd super appreciate it. And I'd love to see all of you sporting your chili dog merch all over the place. Anyways, we appreciate you watching. If you like the parts we used today, we're gonna link them all down below so you can get them too. But I think it's about time you get out of my driveway. Get on out of here. I'm getting out of here. Brum, brum, brum.